If you want to delete your Epic Games account, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it safely and correctly. Before we begin, just know that deleting your account is permanent after the waiting period, so make sure you really want to continue. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account portal. Then sign in with the account you want to delete. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, because this process applies to the account currently signed in. Once you're inside the account portal, scroll all the way down the page until you find the Account Deletion option. You should see a button or link that says Request Account Delete. Click that option to begin the deletion process. Next, Epic Games will send a security code to the email address linked to your account. Go to your email inbox, look for the message from Epic Games, and copy the security code exactly as it appears. Then return to the account portal and enter that code in the confirmation field. After that, confirm the deletion request. At this point, Epic Games will place the account into the deletion process, and the account will be permanently deleted after 14 days. During that time, the account is set for deletion, so if you change your mind, you may want to act quickly before the deadline passes. And that's it. Once the request is confirmed, your Epic Games account will be on its way to being permanently deleted. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.